Lathe machining is a part of mechanical machining, mainly in two forms. One is to fix the turning tool and process the unformed workpiece during rotation. Another method is to fix the workpiece and perform precision machining by high-speed rotation of the workpiece and horizontal and vertical movement of the cutting tool holder. Easy to ensure the accuracy of various machining surfaces of the workpiece. During processing, the workpiece rotates around a fixed axis, and each surface has the same axis of rotation, making it easy to ensure the coaxiality requirements between the processing surfaces. The cutting process is relatively smooth, except for intermittent surfaces. The lathe machining process is generally continuous, suitable for precision machining of non-ferrous metal parts. Due to the low hardness and good plasticity of certain non-ferrous metal parts, it is difficult to obtain a smooth surface using other processing methods. Turning tool is the simplest type of cutting tool, which is easy to manufacture, grind and install, making it convenient to choose a reasonable angle according to specific processing requirements.